In a world full of choices and information overload, in existence of numerous possibilities and illusion of control, a world full of neck-breaking competition and selective self-compassion, I'm trying to discover myself. I'm Ramil Verma, a certified yoga instructor, a nutritionist, a fitness enthusiast, and an engineer by profession. I've always been fascinated with absolute capacity of wholeness of body and the mind with the world. How about making things work for you the way you want them to? Imagine you think of something and it appears or happens. How cool it is. You think it's easy? It never is, but it is definitely achievable. You need to understand your body and mind and how it's connected to the rest of the universe. This universe is not stranger than we think, it is stranger than we can think. Human mind resembles quantum world, always uncertain and beyond any explanation. You need to be prepared to understand your body and mind, and that is the process I call as wellness. It is not just physical, but also mental wellness. This is a story, and like all other stories, this is a journey, and this is your wellness story. And it's about bringing an order to your physical, mental, and emotional self. The journey has no fixed destination, only milestones.